Amalungu e-IFF achithe isikhathi eside edingida udaba lokwehlukana ekubuseni ngokubambisana phakathi kweqembu ne-IFP. Ngo-2021 i-IFF yathola izikhundla zosekela meya eziyi-12 esifundazweni ngenxa yesivumelwano sokusebenzisana ne-IFP. Manje lamaqembu asenqume ukwehlukana okuholele ekwesulweni ezikhundleni kosekela meya be-IFF. Ingxabano yesu akungaboni ngasolunye ngokuthi eliphi phakathi kwamaqembu amabili ekumele liphathe uMasipala uMhlathuze eRichards Bay.
We said to them, the EFF is ready to take some responsibility. Let us discuss this. And yes, we said to them, we want Mhlathuze to go and lead Mhlathuze municipality. We had that meeting with the leadership of the IFP. The leadership of the IFP, they said, we'll come back to you. When they came back to us, they said, as people that were supposed to be respectful, as partners in any negotiation, they come back to us and say, no, we can't give you Mhlathuze, and they put a full stop.
Kungekudala i-IFP yathi iEFF iyona engafuni ixoxiswane. Kulesihlanu iEFF yeseke ANC eThekwini ukuphikisana nabebefuna ukukhipha esikhundleni umeya umxolisi ikhawunda. Lokhu kupepethekisa amahebezi ukuthi iEFF ngathi isiyasithambisa isandla uma kuyiwa eqenjini elibusayo.
Decision to remove IFP in KZN municipalities, it must not be mistaken by that it's a decision to put ANC back to municipalities. We are navigating this thing in our own terms. Doesn't matter. If it's our
Dlamini uthi iqembu liseyingxoxweni namanye amaqembu ukwakha ezinye izivumelwano zokusebenzisana. Bongani Gema, Indaba ze SABC eThekwini.